सगळी ऑक्युपन्सी फुल आसल्यो. ऑल द ट्युरिस्ट वर हियर. हे कितें नेगेटिव्ह
Negative publicity.
इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स हा. They are, I think, paid by some agents to see that, the tourists from Goa goes elsewhere. I think the government of Goa has to take strict action against those influencers, find out who they are. They cannot defame Goa on any of this. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाल्यार ऑक्युपन्सी खूप आसली आनी ट्युरिस्ट जशे येताले एवरी टायम थंयच ट्युरिस्ट येयल्ले.
तुम्ही ESGची व्हायस चेअरमॅन आणि तुमच्याकडे एम्पॅनल्ड इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स असतात सो त्यांना वापरून तुम्ही यांका जाप देऊंक शकना.
To do that also, we will tell the influencers to see that give positive image about Goa.
फॉरेन टुरिस्ट मातशे कमी आशिल्ले दिसताले म्हणून.
From the time I'll tell you कोविडाच्या उपरांत फॉरेन टुरिस्ट मातशे कमी जायत गेला. It's true. From COVID, after COVID, it has affected financial capacity of a person. It's become less after COVID, but it's not just this year as such.
ओके,
Thank you.
थँक्यू.